Hey guys, it's Megan from Performance Detailing HP. Today we're reviewing and installing the Pedal Commander.
The Pedal Commander is a throttle response controller that removes response delays. It removes pedal lag and can also save up to 20% on fuel. With 4 different driving modes to choose from, it provides drivers with a unique acceleration control for their vehicle. Choose from Eco, City Mode, Sport Mode, or Sport Plus. We installed our Pedal Commander on a 2016 Jeep Wrangler JKU. Installation was actually super simple. Once you disconnect the assembly plug, you plug the connectors into their coordinating plugs on the gas pedal. On the Jeep, it was a little bit more tighter of a space, so we did remove the kick panel to have easier access to the plug. Once installed, we attached the module for easy access and tucked the wires back underneath. Overall, install time was roughly around 10 minutes. The Eco setting was impressive, but the Sport Plus mode was even more impressive. Overall, we were extremely impressed with the Pedal Commander. It did create a faster response time from the engine. It's completely user-friendly, and it's available for almost all car manufacturers. Pick up yours today in-store or online. Shop us at shop.performancedtl.com.